All right, here we go. How's this for a transformation? Nar. It's all still soaking wet, so hopefully all right, my name is Dylan. Welcome back to the channel. This is my cleaning business, and if you like seeing a day in the life of a cleaning company, hang in there. We're doing 2 jobs back to back today, and we're going to take you guys along for the whole ride. Check back in on Chris. He's making pretty quick work of this, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, nice work, pal. Curious what the other contractors, like how they would approach this, if they would go straight to their surface cleaner first, or if they would turbo nozzle it first. I'm curious to see. I think the turbo nozzle's way faster, yeah. We'll see. Curious what you guys think. We tend to, when there's like serious deferred maintenance projects like this with really thick moss in the exposed aggregate, are you guys going to go to your surface cleaner first, or are you guys going to start with the turbo nozzle like we do? There we go. That legitimately took 15 minutes to turbo nozzle the whole thing. So there's no way you could tell me that with that much crap blasted off of here, that didn't save us 10 minutes with the surface cleaner, right? Or 15 rather, still, right? Well, here we go, filming a video doing 2 jobs for the same client in one day, and trying to get it on video for everybody. And it's making me realize that there are a handful of quote-unquote controversial things that we do as contractors that maybe other contractors don't do. The first one we just showed was we just turbo nozzled this whole driveway before surface cleaning. And lots of people would say, oh, for big slabs of concrete, you should really use the surface cleaner on that. I like to start with the turbo nozzle with exposed aggregate concrete and heavy moss. That was kind of controversial, I suppose. Let me know what you guys would think. Number 2, we are now rinsing this big slab of concrete before we surface clean. Let me know what you think about that, because I do that all the time, and I think it makes this turn out really, really good. Alright, getting very close to the end of our first job for the day. We are, we're about 40 minutes into this project or so, I would say, so we are right on schedule. Chris is running the surface cleaner over this driveway to make sure we've got a nice, even, spotless clean. And then we're going to give this one more rinse after that, and we should be all good for this job. We'll move on to the next one. Look how nice and pretty this looks by comparison. Hopefully this is all showing up on camera nice for everybody. But wow, what a transformation. Wowza. In other news, I don't know how far to hold this camera away from my face when I'm talking about it. Talking to it, rather. So we'll see how that turns out. All right, this is looking good. Looking good. All right, we're gonna get things packed up. pulled up and got situated at our second pressure washing job for today. Thanks for tagging along, everybody. So Chris is up here moving some furniture. We've got hoses in place and we've got water running. So we're just about ready to get started. Bum, bum, bum. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this one's gonna clean up great. Nar, nar. Dog up in here that is not a fan of me. He can't fool me though, he looks like a very good boy. All right, here we go. How's this for a transformation? Holy smokes, does this look a little bit different? Nar, nar. It's all still soaking wet, so hopefully it's all right for you guys to see. The stairs there, goodness, those look better. There we go, 2 jobs, 1 day. Thanks for joining us, everybody. It's a little bit after 1 o'clock, and we're gonna go get some lunch and head back to the shop. See ya.